Did something actually happen to Donald Trump during the recent visit with King Charles III, or is the internet running with something that isn't fully accurate? Today, we're going to break down this video. It's a viral moment that's been circulating online through all the networks, looking at what people are saying, what's being shown, and what's actually confirmed. This all comes down to the handshake between the king and Donald Trump, and what people are saying they saw on Donald Trump's hand that leads to medical questions, leads to, is he healthy? Because he's had a number of things, the giant swollen ankles, the different bruises, the different things. He is 80. So let's look at this realistically. But before we jump in, a quick note. This video uses Lego style animation and is created for commentary, analysis, and educational purposes. Some scenes are fictionalized to illustrate public reactions, and this is not official news reporting or a factual claim of events. Now, let's take a look to see what they have to say about this. Let's take a look.
Good evening, good evening. We're coming to you live from Washington, D.C., where history just arrived. King Charles and Queen Camilla touched down on U.S. soil and the cameras were rolling, ready for the sport. This is your evening update. Stay tuned, stay right here. We got the full report, every moment crystal clear. The South Lawn was decorated, the flags were standing tall, but the story of the evening wasn't diplomatic at all. The motorcade pulled up, the red carpet was laid. The White House staff was ready, full honors on parade. King Charles stepped out, looking sharp in his coat. While our camera zoomed in on something reporters would note, the handshake happened, the smiles were exchanged, but social media users said something looked strange. A hand in the footage had folks doing the double take, trending by midnight. For goodness sake, this is your breaking update. We repeat it once more. Health speculation trending from shore to shore. No doctors confirm it, no records were released, but the comment sections online never ceased. As it came to podium, the microphone stood tall. The president began speaking to the guests in the hall. He talked about alliances, he talked about trade, then suddenly detoured in the middle of his aid. Where is Rory? Where is Rory McIlroy right now? That man showed unconquerable courage. Think about it. The good diplomats look sideways. The cameras panned around a golf detour mid-speech. Now that's a headline. This is your live coverage. We're reporting what we saw. A state visit detour that left some guessing awe. No policy was broken, no treaties were torn, but the moment went viral before the evening corn. Then came a story about a mother and a king, a sentimental memory, a very personal thing. My mother had a crush on Charles, the president declared. The audience went quiet, some shifted in their chairs. Now the mother passed in 2000, records clearly show, and Charles was born in 48. Just so you know, the math was running numbers all across the net. A timeline going viral that reporters won't forget. This is your fact check segment. We do it every night. We check the dates, we check the years, we keep the record right. No malice in the moment, just a memory call. But fact checkers everywhere had a field day after all. The troop review came next. They walked across the ground. The cameras were everywhere. Reporters all around. A shoulder bump occurred between the king and host, and that 10-second clip became the talk of every post. Left or right, the commentators picked their side. Everyone had an angle, everyone had a guide. One channel said it's nothing, just two leaders side by side. Another channel made it the headline of their prime time ride. This is your media roundup. We present them all to you. The left said one thing, the right had a different view. We report the footage. The footage speaks alone. Every viewer watching makes the verdict on the phone. The state dinner came later. The white ties were on. The chandeliers were glowing from the evening to the dawn. King Charles gave a toast about the history they share. 250 years apart, the ship declared. The president responded. He raised his glass up high. He talked about the future underneath the open sky. Then mentioned 63 years of marriage. Smiled and said, "That's a record, darling. We won't match it. Just ahead." This is your dinner coverage. The evening went just fine. The diplomatic mission stayed exactly on the line. No treaties were disrupted. No alliances were lost. Just one very viral evening at considerable media cost. So that was your update from the nation's capital night, where health trends and diplomacy collided in plain sight. No verdict has been given by any doctor on the air. Just camera speculation and opinions everywhere. King Charles flew back to London. The visit came and went. The history books were recorded as a diplomatic event. But YouTube and the comment sections told a different tale. And that is why we're here tonight with lyrics on this trail. This has been your evening broadcast. Stay informed, stay bright. I ran Lego and an Asian signing off for the night. Good evening, good evening. We'll see you tomorrow too. This is breaking news, and we brought it straight to you.